On today's episode of MotoCheez.
So what's up, guys? I like that jump pack that I got sent so much. I want to try out this one because this has a jump pack, an air compressor, a power supply, and an LED light. Brought to you by UTRAI. So this claims a 2000 amp car battery jump, and it will jump an 8-liter gas engine or a 6.5-liter diesel engine. The air pump pressure is up to 150 psi, which you could set the levels. It says 3 minutes to fully inflate 0 to 36 psi on a standard car tire. Has intelligent system, so if you have reverse polarity, is protected over current protection, over discharge protection. This comes with a 2-year warranty. This unit is 7.91 by 3.03 by 6.04 inches, and it weighs 3 pounds 1.4 ounce. Oh, look at that. Nice carrying case here. Jstar 5, 12 volt DC output for the jump start, 12 volt to 16 volt 10 amp DC output, type C input for charging, USB A output, multi-sensing, USB 2 is a 5 volt 2.1 amp, got a 5 watt light, quick charge 4 to 4.5 hours, maximum air pressure on the air compressor is 150 psi, and the efficiency is over 85%. So of course they say charge it fully before use. Let's see what it looks like. Comes with all the little fittings for the air compressor, charger cord or output cord, and a little socket. Caution, tire inflator will automatically stop after long working time to avoid overheating. Please wait about 10 minutes to cool down. Got 84% battery. This does have a little protective thing over it. You set your pressures. Oh, it's got a little fan in it. Oh, right here it's blowing out. Decent length cord, about 2 foot long. Now let's charge this up. There's where the jumpers come off for the boost. There's a charging port, 2 USB-A ports. I forget the name of that port. This doesn't come with a brick charger. If it's a high speed, I imagine you're going to need a 100 watt USB port, which I have. So we'll let her go.
A few moments later.
Fully charged. So it looks like that has less than 2 volts left in it. Resistive test. Insert the plug. The battery clamps completely into the jump starter. Red and green lights flash alternately. Connect the red positive and black negative. Start the vehicle. Could have gave a little bit longer cord, huh? But yeah, you see, it's over 16. Let's see if we do a resist. No, kicked it off. There we go. So according to this, you can see the 1000 cranking amps mark. This is probably about 2000 amps showing on a gauge. That's doing pretty good. So that's good. It's automatically boosting that. Yeah, see, it keeps kicking it. And if I do the resistive, I'll have to try it in a real life situation. Dropped it down to 98%. It's pretty good. That's all automatic then. And it did bring, I mean, this is a bad battery, brought it back up to 6 volts. When you feel the heat coming off of this, woo, that's hot. It's the old resistive type load. I think it's a 300 amp, let's say. No. I figured that'd be a good kind of way to show how it works. This battery is shot. I could run the battery down on a condor and see how that cranks that over. It's not that heavy, probably because half is a compressor and half is a battery. 4 pounds, 11.8, almost 5 pounds for the whole package. 3 pounds, 1.4 ounce for just the compressor slash booster slash power pack. I don't have anything dead, but this is pretty low. Or I can kill it low. Yeah, I did get a new battery for this, but I just wish they gave a little bit longer cable. Now let's see what it does. Oh yeah. So that works pretty good on a small battery. PSI. I'm going to put this to 24 because that's what I do my mini truck tires at. Unplug our jump pack. Hmm, 12 pounds. Not bad. I mean, they're only 12-inch tires, but I've tested some other small pumps and it seems to be right about the same, actually. Let's try this other front tire. A little darker here. Yeah, that other tire leaks a little bit. Might as well check the rear while we're here. Yeah, that one didn't leak any. So yeah, this would be a nice little addition to have in your car. To have a jump pack and a little air compressor and a little power unit so you can charge your phones and stuff, and to have another cigarette socket outlet. That one's high. So it works pretty good. And there is a newer model which they may be sending me to do a review, with the Jstar 6. This one's priced good because the Jstar 6 is coming out. I have the link down below if you're interested. Any discount codes that they give me. It's a nice little portable unit with a nice little carrying case. You never know how much you need one of these until you need one. Make a good gift too. My son got a new car, so maybe I'll gift it to him. I forgot to show the light. To turn the light on, you hold the power button. Not too bad. Could have used that when I was filling the tires. Forgot about it. Charge it back up and get it ready for when we really need it. It's not bad having all those features in one. Price as tested, $134. It is on sale right now. But like I said earlier, you never know how much you need one until you need it. Thanks for watching, guys.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.